really big piece for us, and is really essential to us be able to be responsive as a company and work together really well, is collaboration. So, and this is where G Suite really, really absolutely shines. So I see a few people in the chat going, oh, great, I can still use Microsoft Word. 100%, like the reason I'm showing you these tools is to show that you can still use your existing tools. But I really don't want to detract from the fact that if you want to collaborate with your teammates while working remotely, your best bet is to be using Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, etc. Even if you're using, legacy files, Word and PowerPoint and all of that kind of stuff, you're still going to potentially have version issues. And we don't want, the last thing we want when we're working remotely is 10 more emails coming through with like version 1.2 of this document, version 3. Can you go in, Adam, to line 4 and update this? So that's what you don't want, and this is where you can really use the G Suite tools to avoid that scenario. And I was trying to think, like, guys, Mark and Adam, like, we spend a lot of our time every day in documents working collaboratively, I would think. That's out of my deduction. I'm seeing nods.
Yeah.
So, and that might be like putting together proposals, project documents, reviewing, like we spend a lot of time proofreading and reviewing work, and all of this is done in Google Docs and sometimes slides and sheets depending on what we're doing. So hopefully you can see this on my screen now, make it a bit bigger.